Welcome to 325 Sharon Drive in Trumann, Arkansas. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath house that has a lot to offer for just $75,000. The house has 900 square feet, was built in 1999, and has been very well cared for. The spacious living room is open to the kitchen and dining. All the appliances are included. And one unique thing about this house is that all the furnishings in the house are available to go with the house. This would make it perfect for the first-time home buyer or for the young couple starting to get established. The furniture can go with the house as well. The house is close to churches, close to shopping and public schools. It does have a fully fenced backyard and a storm shelter, and there's covered parking for one up front, and of course it does have central